Well, Bob, those activities outdoors might be a little more difficult tomorrow with those rain showers in the forecast.
Yeah, it's going to be. I just read a social media thing, and they're having a big 200 to 300 people outdoors, and they're kind of worried about what's going on. Obviously, I would be too. There's going to be a good chance, obviously, for showers and a few thunderstorms as a result of this trough of low pressure. We talked about it earlier. This system is going to develop a low pressure area at the surface in the Gulf, and that will eventually track across the state. Where it goes is going to be the big factor in determining how much rain we get. Right now, it appears that it's going to track north of our immediate area, but we're still going to get these little pieces of energy that will move in, and those little pieces of energy will indeed bring us showers and occasionally a thunderstorm or two. Right now, most of the rainfall is pushed off to the northeast, but there's still more developing here in the Gulf of Mexico, and that's that energy I talked about as it kind of rotates around the base of this trough that's setting up in the Gulf. Right now, some light rain moving through Manatee County. It's all but over in Sarasota temporarily, but as I said, it will be back periodically throughout the morning hours and again throughout the midday tomorrow, with the system eventually clearing out of here by Friday late. And then look for a great weekend. So we still have the weekend to look forward to as well. Lots of sunshine there. And the thunderstorm activity you see out there is kind of weakening as the system moves off to the northeast. But just to give you a little idea of the energy, it's still out there. There's still lightning being produced, although the reflectivity is so far away from the radar, you're not really seeing the storms out there as a result of it being too far. But the lightning is definitely showing up, and that means the storms are fairly strong way out there in the Gulf of Mexico. Currently, we have some light rain at the airport. It's 70 degrees, and the relative humidity at 90%. So it's warm, it's muggy for this time of year. We even had a few afternoon thunderstorms developing as a result of the sea breeze front, which you normally don't see in late November. 81 degrees the high today, the low was 60. 58 is our normal low, so we were fairly close to that. The record low 31, set back in 1928. And right now they're getting rain at the airport, and they'll get more on Thursday as well as into Friday, at least periodically throughout the day. This is the Futurecast. One model showing the showers lining up and the start of the day on Thanksgiving. You can see some of that rain estimated to be heavier down south. And then Friday, we'll get to Friday and show you more rain developing on Friday morning, moving on shore, some of it heavy at times. And then again, Friday afternoon, more showers developing. So you get the picture, periodic showers and a few thunderstorms right in through Friday morning, and then less a chance for activity in the afternoon. Now, there is a chance for thunderstorms right now. The severity doesn't appear to be something to be too significant or concerned about at this point. We'll have to keep an eye on it, though. Water temperatures are still relatively warm for this time of year, and there's always a threat or a chance that one or two could get very close to being severe, but it doesn't look like that's going to be an issue here. There's the depiction of the heavy rainfall over North Florida, but look at this, 2.9 inches estimates from this model. Earlier at 6 o'clock, the same model was projecting 2.5 inches up near Bradenton. So it's going back and forth. It's very difficult to get a firm handle as where these little pieces of energy will be moving through, so keep that in mind. When it comes to making your plans tomorrow, you just keep an eye to the sky. You're going to see showers and storms developing in the Gulf and moving onshore. So a very active pattern over the next 48 hours. After that, things clear out and high pressure builds in on Saturday, Sunday, and another weak dry cold front moves through on Sunday afternoon. So showers out west continuing. The cold air spilling southward now all the way down to Memphis. It's 36 degrees now there, 30 in Cleveland, 30 in Toronto, and Boston at 39. This cold air continues to move in over the northeast United States. Not so much here, so we stay relatively warm. Temperatures may be a couple degrees below average on Monday, but that would be about it. So scattered showers and storms for boaters tomorrow. Southeast winds turn to the south at 10 knots. Winds and seas will be higher near those individual storms. UV index obviously very low tomorrow. And the tides upcoming, the next high tide will be at 129 and sunrise at 6:57. Tonight, mostly cloudy, scattered showers and storms, an isolated storm possibly overnight, 67 for your low. Tomorrow, look for variable clouds, showers, and isolated storms possible at any time during the day, 76 for a high. And the extended forecast calling for a 60% chance of rain on Friday and then tapering off to below 20 on Saturday. Pretty nice weekend ahead, albeit a little cooler on Sunday and Monday morning.